Thanks for coming. I'm just getting, I was mentioning before about bubble wrap. And indeed, it is a great thing when it comes to shipping. It is. Oh, this is heavy. All right, so it is time to wrap. Now I found in the basement a suitable box, I believe. It is, you know, quite a bit bigger than the drive mechanism, but the drive must arrive there safely, or really, what's the point? So this is a big roll of bubble wrap. I don't know the exact dimensions, but every couple of feet it has serrations, so you can easily rip things. So to begin with, I'm going to set this securely. I'm going to tuck the wires in as best as they will go. I do not want to hurt anything. As we say, if it's not going to arrive working, what's the point? Okay, I think I got to do this way, so I can make sure that the wires stay where they should be. And then, with the extra I have here, I will put it, on this case, I will put it all around the bottom. I shall. Ha! Box is still much bigger than this, but that's okay. We've got more to wrap. So I will look again for the next area where it will easily rip. Ooh. And I have found it. By the way, another thing, I mean, lots of people pack and ship with the styrofoam things, and I think they're a fine thing. They are, but not all by themselves. You've got to have something to really cushion. And also, with those styrofoam things, it is possible that, you know, whatever thing you have, if it's heavy, could settle to one side or the other, and that would kind of take away the protective qualities that you are looking for. So this time, I'm going to fold these things over the other way. So they're both, the top and the bottom, are very well protected. But then, of course, when we look at the box, it is still a lot bigger. Now, it doesn't mean you have to use, there is the serration. I think I found it. There we go. You don't have to use all bubble wrap, although it's not a bad thing. It really is not. Ultimately, you want this thing to get there and to be functioning. So this time, I'm doing it a little differently. I'm folding over the ends, and then all this extra, if I can get it all nice and straight, which I believe I can, will go up and over. So now we have tremendous protection. And once again, tape that doesn't want to work for me. So if I had a box that was exactly this size, I would feel good about just putting this in and having it go away. But this box is a little bigger. Well, I could diddle around with lots of other things. Or I could look for the next serration. And right now this is pretty good on the on the depth of the box. Not bad. But it could use a little more on the ends, I believe. Watch out, Hagrid. So what I'm going to do is take this long piece, which I have carefully folded, and go around this again. And then I'm going to put it in the box. And apply some more tape. At least that is the plan. And there, now I will have to put some more tape on this. And in looking in here, I lose track of which way is up now. I could use just a little bit more. Now I did bring up here something that I thought would be helpful. Oh, yeah. Here's an envelope somebody shipped to me. It too is a bubble wrap container. But the idea is mostly you want to take up all the space you can. Now, is that really doing it? It feels pretty good. It does. Perhaps what I will do to ensure that this stays in place is to tape it. To the end of this whole assembly so that it securely takes up the space. A little more space. Well, you know what, there's always, when it comes down to it, there's always the old popular stick some paper in there. Which, do I have something handy? No. Not really. I know a whole sheet of this bubble wrap is too big, and then the box will be doing funny things. Alright, well, I will find some paper of some sort. for maybe another funny envelope, but I'm very satisfied that this will get there and still work. So I of course will need to put information on this, and actually, no, when I tighten it all down, it really, I guess there's a little bit of movement in there. Anyway, I will get some more stuff to put in here. I will. I just don't see anything very handy. But I will. And then I can get this wrapped up, not with Scotch tape, but with like packing tape, and get it all ready to go. And it will be gone. Poof. Yes. Look a little. I'm just looking around here. I thought... No, I don't see anything. Anyway, enough. So, if you're shipping something, bubble wrap is a beautiful thing. So this 1541 mechanism will go off and hopefully make somebody very happy. Because when it comes to a 1541, there's the case, which of course has the LED attached. And you know what? I think those things are pretty tough to get out. Anyway, here's the case. Very unlikely to make any difference on the workings of the drive. But after that, there's the power supply, which is attached to the great big heavy metal rail, which of course you saw because I set it over there. And then there's the circuit board and the drive mechanism. And if the power supply is good and the circuit board is good, it is possible the drive mechanism is bad. And yes, the read-write heads can fail. And it's a funny thing. This is the, pop-down version. I never liked that as good as the little one with the door. But from what I understand, the little ones that have the little flippy handle thing, Neutronics maybe, those heads fail more, they say. Anyway, this one works fine. It's dandy. I've checked it. And soon, it's out the door. So, I will continue and get this ready. I will find some more smaller packing material to put in there so it is secure and happy and safe. And Hagrid is pleased. He's doing his dance. I think. Alright. Thank you very much for being here. Good luck in your shipping, good luck in your packing, and good luck in all your Commodore, Amiga endeavors. Until we meet again.